Hey guys, welcome back to the Bandman Fabrications YouTube channel. On this episode, we're getting stuck into the rebuild of the chassis for the AA. And guys, while I got you, I just want to say, if you're liking the videos, just do us a favour, hit the like. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, it's free to do so. Just go ahead and subscribe. And I really want to know what you guys are thinking. If you can leave us a comment down below, whether it be a smiley face, a thumbs up, you want to throw out some ideas you think would be good, just jot it down below. It would really help us out. Rightio guys, let's get in the video. Alright, so I went ahead there yesterday and basically bare metaled most of the chassis. Still got to get in the little nooks and crannies and stuff and finish it off, but got a fair bit done there yesterday. Started smoothing off a heap of the stuff, trying to get it a bit nicer than what Holden thought was a good idea. So these things are pretty rough when they put them together, so still to go through and like smooth out these little weld bags and stuff, and but like I said, you can see all underneath it's all bare metal. So just going to finish that off this morning, fix whatever needs fixing, and get it to the point where I can prime it. Hopefully get that done today, so I'll get into it. Rightio, so chassis is good to go. It's all bare metal, taking care of all the little imperfections in it. So all stripped down, getting ready to lay some epoxy primer down, so really happy with it. So gonna get into painting. Rightio, as you can see, got the chassis and primer. Big step, really glad we got that done. I've got about 2 coats on it now, debating whether I let it dry and hit another coat tomorrow, not too sure. But see how it dries, see what it looks like in the morning. For now, I'm probably going to start ripping apart like the control arms and stub axles and stuff. Chucking the sandblast cabinet and get them all cleaned up and painted so I can get them in primer and hit it all with black when I paint the chassis. So that's what we're going to move on to, yeah, suspension. Get into it. Oh yeah, so it's the next day. Yeah, chassis dried overnight, looking pretty good. I've gone ahead and yeah, burnt the bushes out there, the lower control arms. So I've already got the top control arms done. Pulled them apart, got the bushes out, bare metaled them, and yeah, put them in the sandblast cabinet so they're ready to be primed. Went ahead yesterday and also cleaned up the intake manifold, sprayed it with with a metallic silver, and put a bit of clear coat ceramic over it. So yeah, that's all buttoned up. So yeah, it's going to go ahead and yeah, get the bushes out of the lower control arms and do the same thing. Bare metal them and sandblast them, and yeah, get them ready, get them in epoxy primer. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, so it's yeah, nearly the end of the day. I've got the control arms all re-bushed, new ball joints in them and that, sandblasted, yeah, so they're all ready to go. Just yeah, mixing up some paint, some epoxy primer, and yeah, gonna hit the underside of them, let them dry, flip it over to the top side, and yeah, that'll be that all buttoned up. I've got to do the paint the spindles there yet, but yeah, I want to get these in primer today, so yeah, I'll get them in primer. Okay, so yeah, moving to a big step here. Happy with the way the epoxies come on the chassis. I've given it a scuff back, yeah, prep soled it, so yeah, happy with that. And got the control arms, same deal. They've had a chance to dry, scuffed them, prep soled them, so yeah, gonna mix up some 2-pack black and yeah, get the spraying. So yeah, I'll get in it. Rightio. So yeah, got the control arms flipped over, got them painted on the top side, and chassis finished off. So yeah, really happy with it. Got the new springs and the shockies laid out for tomorrow after everything dries. So yeah, big step achieved. Really happy with it. Looking good. So yeah, I'll let that cure today. Like I said, I'll start putting the suspension in tomorrow morning, but in the interim, yeah, I'll just grab the spindles. Gonna disassemble the spindles, yeah, clean them up, get them painted. Got the new brakes over there, got to unbox yet. So yeah, spindles disassemble, get the new brakes out, new rotors, all that. Yeah, look at get them fitted up. And yeah, then after all that's fitted, the new power steering rack under that stuff over there in that cardboard box. So yeah, plenty to do. I'll get into it. Rightio guys, gonna wrap this video up here. I'm gonna split the rebuild of the chassis into 2 parts. So this will be part 1, part 2 will come after this. Again, if you like what you're seeing, do us a favour, hit the like, subscribe, it's free. And yeah, do us a favour, leave us a comment. I don't care what it is, yeah, let us know what you think of the videos, any ideas, whatever it is. Be much appreciated. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you on the next one.